Hi guys, now I'm gonna show you how to make this Instagram grid effect. As you can see, each picture is separate. This method is completely free, has no watermarks, and it's really easy. You begin by going to the app called Artist Grid and import your picture. So I'm gonna import the same picture. To get the same grid as me, you have to go here and then go to settings. Make sure your settings match mine. So for row lines, it's 2. Make sure you have square grid cells checked off. For line thickness, it's 1. Opaqueness 100, but you can reduce it if you want to. And grid line color, make sure it's white. And that's it. And then you go here and then save image. Once your image has been saved, go to where it is. Here it is. And you go to edit. And basically just crop it off. You begin by cropping the bottom right hand corner. I suggest keeping the ratio 1:1 and try to zoom in first, kind of like zoom in, move it to where the picture is, and yep, it's kind of uncomfortable, but it is what it is. And try to match it as closely as possible. Try not to go too on the inside or the outside. If some of the white shows up, that's fine because Instagram is white anyways. So it looks kind of like that, and then you save it. And as you may have guessed, you basically do that for the rest of the picture, and it looks like this. And when you begin uploading again, you begin with this, and then this, and then this, and then make sure everything is in order. And that's the final result. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry for the stuttering. This is the 10th time I'm recording this, but this worked. Yay! Again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!